This 2016 Keystone Montana High Country 370BR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Keystone Montana High Country 370BR is 11,620 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.